on behalf of Parajya Patni Association for this yoga class. And I think last session was really very good. Everyone enjoyed and we had quite few feedbacks. Now today I will ask Ranjumen to welcome Snehal and say a few words. So Ranjumen, can you start please?
Okay, Jai Shri Krishna to all. And Jai Shri Krishna to Snehal Ben and all the members who have joined. On behalf of Parajya Patni, I welcome Snehal Ben and all the members. We all benefited from your last yoga session, the knee session. We are getting a lot of messages, and we also people asking for the YouTube link, which we will give the details at the end of this session. So obviously a lot of people find this very useful and they want to continue. And again, the pranayam was really good, knee pain, vertigo to all of us. Jai Shri Krishna once again and welcome Snehal Ben, and thank you for giving us this time. Thank you very much. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Ranjuben, for this warm welcome. So it's already we are a little bit, running behind. So I would like to start. We'll start with our chanting. Sit with your eyes closed. Take deep and long breath in and breathe out. One more breath in and let go. Breathe in for 4. Join your hands. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Relax. Take few deep, long breaths in and out. And just observe your breath. Slowly and gently, you may open your eyes. So, we'll begin with Bhramari Pranayam. But today we will do Bhramari Pranayam with Shanmukhi Mudra. Okay? It's like first we place our big fingers, little finger over here below the chin. Then the ring finger on your lips above below your nostril. Then the third middle finger comes on the ear. And the pointer finger will be closing your eyes. And then this thumb will be closing your eardrum. It's called a Shanmukhi Mudra. It relaxes your whole brain, whole of your nervous system. Okay? We will just close our eyes and we'll take this mudra. We will take one deep and long breath in. આપણે લાંબી ગહેરી શ્વાસ લઈશું અને let go કરશું, છોડી દઈશું. One more deep and long breath in and let go. Now breathe in for Bhramari. Breathe in, and while doing humming sound, we will just plug in, out our thumb. Okay? So breathe in. One more deep and long breath in. One more breath in. And relax. Palms on your lap, open to the sky. And just keep your attention in between your eyebrows and relax. Bhramari Pranayam relaxes all of your nervous. Balances. It's the whole. Slowly and gently, you may open your eyes. So you can do this pranayam twice, thrice in a day, front, round, and you feel such a relaxation all of your mind. Normally, what happens? વર્ટિગોમાં શું થાય કે આપણું ઇમ્બેલેન્સ થઈ જાય છે. That's the reason આપણને giddiness feel થાય, ચક્કર આવે. More of relaxation is needed in this process. Vertigo જેવું. And yoga eliminates vertigo by harmonizing the nervous system. એ આખા nervous system ને harmonize કરે છે. And improvising the mind and body balance. Mind and body નું જે balance છે ને એને improvise કરે.
સુનલબેન તમારો બ્રેકિંગ થાય છે, જરાક બોલો છો ને તો ક્લિયર નથી સંભળાતું.
Acha. Now it's clear.
જરાક બાજુ, હા
Yeah.
બોલો તો.
It's clear now.
યા
Now it's fine. Okay. So yoga actually yoga eliminates vertigo by harmonizing the nervous system. Okay, अपने nervous system ने harmonize करे and improving the balance between our mind and our body. So I'll be showing you few asanas which will really help in, but we have to do regular practice. The only thing in yoga is that we have to be regular with our practice. Okay, so nothing before we start, little bit આપણે સૂક્ષ્મ આનું કરશું. Okay, here what we have to do, we have to take our both the hands behind, આપણા માથાની પાછળ લેશું, આમ interlock કરીને fingers ને. Okay, આવી રીતે રાખશું, and we will try to push our head behind અને પાછળથી આપણે resist કરશું. આપણે આ જે part છે એને પાછળ push કરવાની કોશિશ કરશું, and at the same time you will resist, you will not allow it to go behind, એને પાછળ જવા માટે resist કરશું. Okay, this you can do 3 times. Just hold and try to push it behind, પાછળની ઓર ધક્કો મારવાની try કરશું, and at the same time you will resist it, એને push કરવા નહીં દઈ. One more time. 3 times we can just practice this simple Shukshma Vyayam for vertigo. And relax. Now we can do same thing with the right hemisphere of our brain. Our right hand near us. And we will try to push our face towards the right. And at the same time we will resist with our hand. આપણે push કરવાની try કરવાની, and we will resist. આપણે એને push કરવા નહીં દેવાની. So just resist it. And relax. One more time. You can just keep your hand here and try to push towards your right, but at the same time એને પકડી રાખવાનું, એને resist કરવાનું, push કરવા નહીં. And relax. One more time. Just keep your hands on the right side and just push towards the right, at the same time resist. And relax. See, you will be getting pressure all over your neck. Are you feeling that? Now with the left hand ને આપણે left hemisphere પર રાખશું. Try to push towards the left and just resist it. One more time. Just try to push and at the same time resist. And just feel the stretch all over your neck muscles. And relax. One more time. Just keep your hands on your left and just try to push your head towards the left and at the same time resist with your hand. And relax. Take few deep breaths in and out and just relax. Relax. Now slowly you may come into Vajrasana. The Vajrasana also. And then come on your heels. Okay. આપણે ઉત્તરાસન કરશું. Uttanasana means camel posture. Okay. So how it goes? Both the feet, you have to keep little bit distance. Okay, not much. Keep it apart distance. Be straight. First, you have to breathe in, take your right hand up and take all the way behind and place it on your hip. अपना right hip पर अपने right hand में place कर दो. You have to breathe in કરીને હાથને ઉપર લેશો and breathing out, place it on your right hip. Then gently breathe in, take your left hand up and breathing out, just place it on the left. Okay? And just drop your neck and keep breathing in and out. Take 4 to 5 deep, long breaths in and out. And now breathing in, come up and breathing out, relax. Slowly go on your feet and go into baby pose. Balasana jatu. Keep your forehead on the ground. Your hips on your feet. Your hips will be on your feet. Your forehead will be down. And keep your hands either forward or you can keep by your side also. And just relax for a few seconds. Now gently breathing in, come up and relax. Relax and just stretch your legs out. Okay, by in front of your body, keep your hands by your side. Firmly stretch also, we just stretch our legs and by our side. Now breathing in, we take our hands up, right up, stretch your body upwards. ऊपर नहीं और अपनी body ने सुवाना चाहिए. Okay. Then breathing out, bring your chest down. अपने पांचों अपना chest ने पहले नीचे लाओ. Okay, towards your thighs, all the way down to as much as your body allows. If you can hold the big toe, it's fine. If it doesn't go reach there, it's fine, absolutely fine. Okay, then gently push down and relax in the posture. Three deep breaths in and out. Just breathe in. Again, come up. And breathing out, you may relax. This is called Paschimottanasana. First we did the backward bending, that was camel posture, Uttanasana. Blood circulation goes toward your head. Then when we do this, counter pose, Paschimottanasana. It balances everything. Now we will do lying down asana. अपने उल्टा lie down करसो on our stomach. Okay. Just lie down on your stomach. Hands by your side. Both the feet together. Breathe in and now raise your right leg up 6 inches above the ground. Salvasana. Hold there and keep breathing in and out. Take 2 to 3 deep breaths in and out. Now breathing out, gently bring your leg down. Now breathe in and bring your left leg up 6 inches above the ground. Hold there. જ્યારે આપણે ઉપર લઈએ ને તો આપણું whole of વજન આપણું right પર જતું રહે. So gently you can bring back your weight on your left and feel the stretch. Wherever you feel the stretch, just relax the arm by breathing into the stretch. Keep breathing in and out. And breathing out, relax. Now, slowly and gently, you may turn from the right side and taking support of your hand, you may come on your back. Okay, just come on your back, relax, hands by your side, and just relax for few seconds. Whenever we do asana, we should relax in between the asana. આપણે એક પછી એક તુરંત નહીં કરવાનું. Just have some time. Just જે પણ આપણે body parts fit થતું હોય ને એને થોડું settle down થવા દેવાનું. And then we should go into the other asana. Okay. So now we will be doing halasana. Halasana may be little difficult for some people, but if you can do it, it is very, very good for vertigo. Okay. How it goes, if you are a beginner, you can just bend your knees first. Okay. Then you can give support to your hips. And just first take both your legs up. Okay. And gently you can take them very gently, very, very gently. Okay. And you can just hold there. Take deep and long 2 to 3 breaths in and out. Very good. It strengthens your neck, shoulders, and a very good blood flow happens in this asana. All over your nervous system. It's activated. Just relax there. Take 2 to 3 deep breaths in and out. Now breathing in, gently, slowly, very slowly come up, and vertebra by vertebra, you can come down and relax. Hands by your side, feet apart, and just relax your body. Let all the organs get relaxed. Now we will move on to the other asana, which is bridge pose. Setubandha. For that, we need to again hold both our knees, bring our heels near our ear. Bring it near your waist. Okay? And then bring it near your hips. Okay? You can place your hands near your hips. Keep your hands near your hips. Now gently first raise your lower body. પહેલા તમે તમારા નીચેના part, down part of your body, your tummy, just raise it up, and then your chest. And see if you can Put your elbows in and just hold it. Keep holding it. Take 2 to 3 breaths in and out. And relax with the asana. Breathing out. Gently place your body down and relax. Again, spread your legs, hands by your side. Palms open to the side. You can practice this daily twice. एक बार morning में तब मैं करी सकूँ, एक बार evening में. All the asanas, one time if you do it, it will really help you. Now, we will be doing one more thing. You have to place, I think I had showed this last time also. You have to place your buttocks near the, it's the simplest of all. સૌથી simple છે, but સૌથી વધારે effective છે. Is when you touch your butt, you have to touch your buttocks to the wall and just place your heels, legs up, and then relax. Don't have to do anything in this. ખાલી આવી રીતે ઉપર પગને raise કરવાનું and just relax. Here you can stay for 10 minutes also. Not to worry at all. It will really help you. The whole blood circulation flows and it gives a very good result. It helps in many things. ખાલી આ તમે જે આપણ 10 મિનિટ કરશો ને સવાર સાંજ, you see many of your issues will be solved. May it be sciatica, may it be related to knee, may it be related to vertigo. It's beneficial for many things. And it's simplest. આમાં કાંઈ જ નથી કરવાનું. ખાલી wall નો support લઈને તમારા પગને raise કરીને you just have to relax. That's it. But relax. I feel that if you are into mobile or something, તો તમને પૂર્ણ વિશ્રામ ના મળે. So when you are doing this, just close your eyes and observe your breath. તમારી સાસુ તરફ તમારું ધ્યાન લઈ જાઓ and just relax for 2 seconds. Now gently bring both your legs down and come back on your back. Yes, you can relax for 2 seconds. One more beautiful asana is sleeping butt konasana. Join both your feet together. Okay, and just relax there. Vishram karo. Guys, nothing करवाना. Just join both your feet. This is also very simple one, but very nice and effective. Whenever you do yoga, just keep your attention on the breath and on the part of the body which is getting stretched out. જે પણ પાર્ટમાં તમને stretch feel થાય છે, take your attention there and just relax the part. Slowly come back and relax. And you may close your eyes and just be with yourself. I'll be giving you a small yoga You don't have to be very keen. તમારે બહુ keen, બહુ ધ્યાનથી નથી સાંભળવાનું. Just listen and let go. Just listen and let go. Okay. So just spread both your legs, put your hands by your side, and then drop your neck on either of the side, whichever is comfortable. તમને જ્યાં પણ comfortable લાગે છે, કે તમારું neck તમે drop કરીને એકદમ વિશ્રામ કરો, એકદમ આરામ કરો. So I'll be taking a small yoga nidra. Just listen to the instructions and relax your body. Keeping your eyes closed, gently take your attention on your right foot. Right knee, right thigh, whole of your right leg. Breathe in and breathing out. Relax the whole right leg from toe to your feet. Take your attention on your left foot, left knee, left thigh, whole of your left leg. Breathe in and breathing out. Just relax your left leg. Strong. Take your attention on your navel, your chest, your neck, whole of your front body. Breathe in and breathing out. Just relax your take your attention towards your lower back, your middle back, your upper back, whole of your spine. Breathe in and breathing out. Just relax your spine. Take your attention to your right hand. Right hand finger, your right elbow, right arm, and right shoulder. Whole of your right hand. Breathe in and gently breathe out. Take your attention towards the left hand, hand finger, elbow, left arm, left shoulder. Breathe in Breathing out, just relax your left hand. Take your attention towards your face, your mouth, your nose, your eyes, your ears, whole of your face. Breathe in and breathing out. Relax your face. Relax your whole body from toe to head. Breathe in and just be with your breath for a few seconds. Just observe your each breath and relax your whole body. Relax your mind. Slowly and gently, you may turn to the right side and relax. Keeping your eyes closed, आंखों बंद करनी है. Right side पर turn करेंगे, relax करते हैं. Just relax your whole body. Keeping your eyes closed, आंखों बंद रखनी है. Taking support of your hand, તમારા હાથના સપોર્ટથી slowly and gently you may sit. एकदम धीरे धीरे face to your body. Just let yourself keep your eyes closed and just relax. Okay. Now we will be doing Nadi Shuddhan Pranayama. We have learned before. આપણે આ શીખ્યો છે. Left hand will be chin mudra and the two fingers in between your eyebrows. Right nostril will be covered by your thumb and little finger and your ring finger on your left nostril. First, breathe in through both the nostrils and close your right nostril and gently breathe out through your left. Slowly and gently, एकदम धीरे धीरे આપણે લેફ્ટ થી શ્વાસ લેશું. લેફ્ટ નોસ્ટ્રિલ ને બંધ કરીને રાઈટ નોસ્ટ્રિલ થી ધીરે ધીરે છોડો. एकदम धीमी गतिથી કરવાનું છે. Again, breathing to the right. And gently breathe out to your left. one more deep and long breath to your head. And breathe out to your right. Abhishuddha Pranayama balances both the nadis of your left and right. Breathe in to your right. And breathe out to your left. Very slowly and gently breathe in to your left. And again breathe out to your right. Breathe in to your right. And breathe out left. Time. Breathe in to your left. And breathe out. Breathe in to your right. And gently breathe out to your left. Breathing out to your left. Just relax. Keep your palms open to the sky. And keep your eyes closed. थोड़ी बार आंखों बंद करेंगे. Just आराम करो, विश्राम करो. And just observe your breath. आपको पूरा ध्यान अपना सांस पर रखो. Just observe each incoming breath energizes your body. हर एक अंदर जाती सांस तुमने एनर्जी आपके and हर एक बार आपकी सांस आपने विश्राम relax your body more and just observe each breath passing through your nostrils. Slowly and gently become aware of yourself and your body. And whenever you feel complete, open your eyes. सारे पण तुमने पूर्ण अनुभव उठाया. ठीक है? Giving आपके आपके full very subtle way. Not in hurry. एकदम आनंद. You all feeling relaxed? Yes.
Yes,
सारू लागे?
yes, Nehal Ben. very relaxed. Ah,
You know, breath plays a very, very important role in our, body. Through breath, lot many toxins are thrown out. આપણે સ્વેટિંગ એટલું ના કરે ને આઈ થિંક ઇન લંડન તો ધ એટમોસ્ફિયર ઇઝ ઓલમોસ્ટ કોલ્ડ વેધર હોય છે ને ત્યાં આઈ ડોન્ટ નો મચ અબાઉટ ઇટ બટ બહુ ટોક્સિન્સ આપણા બહાર નીકળે ક્યાંથી પરસેવાથી યા વી ગો ટુ વોશરૂમ હાર્ડલી એની ટોક્સિન્સ આર આઉટ બટ બ્રીધિંગ એવું છે જેનાથી આપણે બહુ બધા ટોક્સિન્સ બહાર નીકળે હે ને તો આપણે બ્રીધિંગ ટેકનિક રોજ પ્રેક્ટિસ કરીએ ને તો હાફ ઓફ ધ ડિઝીઝ આર હાફ શું 80% ડિઝીઝ આપણા રિઝોલ્વ થઈ જાય. You have to be very particular about pranayama. It really helps. Asanas are for body, and pranayama is, for all the internal things which is happening in the body. Because of stress and all, આપણું breathing બહુ ઓલું થઈ ગયું હોય. આપણે એકદમ જો આપણે ક્યારેક એકદમ સ્ટ્રેસમાં હોય કે આપણે બહુ બધા વિચારોમાં હોય તો આપણું બ્રેથ કેવું આમ શેલો થઈ જાય છે. Have you ever observed?
yeah.
હે ને? ક્યારે ગુસ્સો હોય ત્યારે કેવું થાય એકદમ એંગર હોય ત્યારે આપણે એકદમ રેસ્ટલેસ બ્રેથ હોય બટ વેન વી ડુ ધીસ પ્રાણાયામ એન્ડ ઓલ ઇટ સેટલ્સ ડાઉન એવરીથિંગ અને આપણા બધા ટોક્સિન્સ આપણે જ્યારે લોંગ બ્રીધિંગ કરીએ લોંગ બ્રીથ આઉટ કરીએ all the toxins are thrown out. It
અને
plays a vital role. It plays a
વર્ટિગો
vital
માટે પણ બહુ સારું ને બ્રેઇન ને એકદમ રિલેક્સ થઈ જાય.
yeah, it relaxes you. And vertigo is something where you need relaxation, more of.
more relax.
Relaxation, yeah. So Bhramari Pranayam and Nadi Shuddhan Pranayam, it will be really helpful.
કેટલી વાર 5 minutes કે 10 minutes કેટલી વાર કરવાનું એ?
See, it depends. Initially તમે start કરો ને એટલે 5 minutes કરવાનું. પછી થોડું થોડું તમને સારું લાગતું જાય ને then you can increase to 10 minutes. Initially તમને આદત ન હોય ને તો એટલું બધું તમને ગમે નહીં ફાવે નહીં. Many times it happens like that. તો પહેલા 5 breath in and out કરવાનું. Like left to right and right to left makes one breath, one full. તો એવા 5 કરવાનું. Left to right, right to left. So totally. So initially you can do 5 breaths, then you can do 7, then you can increase little bit. No? 10 minutes अगर તમે સવાર બપોર સાંજ 3 વાર કરશો ને it will give you lots of relaxation. Stress, anxiety, everything will be away. You will be focused, concentration આપણું વધે, focus વધે, આપણી ઊંઘ સારી થાય. બહુ સારું લાગે.
હા, ઊંઘનો બહુ પ્રોબ્લેમ અહીંયા સાચી વાત છે. ઊંઘ આવી જાય ને that is
most of our આપણી બોડીમાં ક્યારે બધું healing થાય when we are fast asleep, when we have that sound sleep ત્યારે આપણું healing વધારે સારું થાય ને બોડીની અંદર healing happens when our body is in relaxation only. તો 24/7 આપણે કામ જ કરતા હોય તો it is not going to heal up.
yeah.
તો આપણે કેવી છે એ પણ important છે. So આપણે થોડું ફૂડ હેબિટ્સમાં એટલે એટલું ધ્યાન રાખવાનું કે આપણે થોડું જમવાનું 3 કલાક પહેલા આપણે જમી લઈએ ને સુવાના બેડ ટાઈમ પહેલા આપણે થોડું વહેલું જમી લઈએ ને 2 hours પહેલા તો થોડું ડાયજેશન પ્રોપર જાય તો વી ગેટ અ પ્રોપર સ્લીપ. સુવા પહેલા થોડુંક આ પ્રાણાયામ પ્રેક્ટિસ કરી લઈએ.
Is it like 2 hours ke 1.5 hour પહેલા?
See, mostly it is set to 3 hours before the sleep we have to have our dinner. આપણું dinner છે ને અગર આપણે 10 વાગે સૂતા હોય ને તો 7 વાગે જમી લેવું જોઈએ. It's like that. But if it is not possible to at least 2 hours before we can have. પણ ખાઈને તરત સૂઈએ ને so the food has not been digested. તો એના લીધે પણ આપણે છે ને we feel restless, we don't get the proper sleep.
Yeah.
So આપણે થોડું આ food habits I'll just give you one example of my mother-in-law. She's in her 90s. Okay, I would show you, but now she's sleeping right now. She's in the age 90 years. Not a single pill she has. Ek pan dawa nathi hai. Zero maintenance. And still at this age, she makes her tea on her own. She takes bath on her own. She's very, very, independent. She never does anything. But I'll tell you her routine. She's so particular about her routine. Is સવારના ઉઠે ને 8:30 she wants her tea and her breakfast. After that at exact 12 વાગ્યાનો ટકોર થાય ને she wants her food. then she will not have anything. Then right at 4, she again has her tea, and by 8:30 she will finish her dinner. That's her routine. But I'll tell you, any problem nahi. And she is so healthy, hearty. I'll sometimes post one video of hers. I'll show you her video and her photographs, and always smiling,
Uh-huh.
always smiling.
Wow.
Amazing. I have in fact learned that we have to be particular with our food habits, which helps so much.
Yeah, that's right.
This really helps.
Very good. Oh, any questions, anyone? Please, you can ask Snehal Ben. Any questions? You can unmute and ask Snehal Ben, please. No questions? Mukta Ben, you are happy?
Yes, very happy. Can you tell us what was your this 90-year-old person's diet? What does she eat?
Acha, she eats everything. I'll tell you, એમને ખીચડી પસંદ નથી. She doesn't like to eat khichdi, dal bhat, simple ખાવાનું એમને ના ભાવે. If I make pani puri, sev puri, if I make pasta, pizza, I really tell you, I can even show you. She's very active. She's very happy go lucky person. એકદમ અલગ. આપણને એવું લાગે અરે એક એજ પછી આપણે પિઝા ના ખાવું જોઈએ કે આપણે, but હા, only thing is, you know, she eats very proportion. એનું proportion બહુ ભાવતું બી હોય ને તો she will, it's not like that કે she'll have it how it is. ના નહીં, એનું બહુ proportion થોડું હોય, but she has everything. She loves Maggie also. She'll eat nicely. Maggie, pizza, pasta. I don't make very often. Weekends ma હું બનાવું. But she loves eating those things. Everything and anything she eats. And એમને બધું બચે. Her, this is so, I'll tell you, it's just amazing. એનું digestive system કેવો કે.
What about આપણામાં diabetes હોય જેને તે છે કે કાર્બોહાઈડ્રેટ ઓછું ખાવાનું, પણ આપણી રોટલી ને એમાં તો આવે ને થોડું કે મલ્ટીગ્રેન રહે.
See, હું કહું તમને મુક્તાબેન, actually I feel that we should eat everything, but there should be no, આપણે બધું થોડું ખાઈએ ને તો it does not harm us at all. આપણે જ્યારે આપણે એવું બધું સોચીએ ને કે આ ખાવાથી આમ થાય, આ ખાવાથી, I feel basically કે એવું કાંઈ નથી. We should have everything in our food. એને રોટલી પણ હોવી જોઈએ, ભાત પણ હોવું જોઈએ, શાક પણ હોવું જોઈએ, દાળ પણ હોવી જોઈએ, little bit pickle or little bit sweet is also fine. Even I recommend my, you know, clients કે તમે લોકો ખાવા પર એકદમ compromise નહીં કરો. If you like, if you are આપણને એકદમ ઓલું થાય ને કે ઓલું મને ખાવું જ છે આજે, cravings થાય, so go for it. Yeah, have it. But see that you, agar તમને full pizza આવ્યો હોય તો just make half only you eat.
Yeah, I always eat in a small plate.
Yeah, so just, you know, એટલું આપણે ધ્યાનમાં રાખીએ ને, it's not harmful at all. Once a week, it's fine, absolutely fine, I feel. I don't recommend any particular, you know, thing.
Special diet.
Yeah, special diet. Specifically, carry now. But I just tell them, તમારું proportion ધ્યાન રાખો. And just right time. Timing is very, very important. It really plays a vital. કારણ કે આપણું જ્યારે digestive system, જ્યારે 12 થી 2 ની વચ્ચે આપણે છે ને એકદમ મેજર digestion
Fire, yeah.
આપણે 12 વાગે ખાઈ લઈએ ને અને પછી આપણે આપણું digestion એકદમ પ્રોપર થઈ જાય ફૂડનું. આપણે 2 વાગે 2:30 વાગે જમીએ ત્યારે આપણી આ જઠરાગ્નિ થોડી મંદ પડી ગઈ હોય ને, તો આપણે જે પણ ખાઈએ એ આપણને પચે ના એટલે it goes into fats or either into something or the other. Fats માં જઈને ભાઈ ધીરે ધીરે it converts into something or the other disease or, you know, things like that. અને એક stale food નહીં ખાવાનું, રાતનું સવારના નહીં ખાવાનું. Stale food totally no. It's not a good idea to have stale food. These are some few tips, you know, you should always remember. બાકી તો તમે you eat. એક તો life enjoy, we should enjoy. And one more thing I'll tell you about her only. You know, એમને છે ને હિપ્પોનું અહીંયાથી થોડું શું minor fracture હતું, no doubt in that. So she was 20 days on the bed. we were really worried કે હવે ચાલી નહીં શકે. We were full ready for, you know, to do her seva and all that. But you won't believe, 20 days પછી એમને અમે walker લાવ્યા. She walked only for 4 days with that walker, and then she just threw that walker aside and she was all fine. So means her mind is very strong.
The
She has a very
positivity.
good willpower. Yeah,
Positive,
very,
yeah, positivity.
very good willpower.
That's it.
That is also very important. We should have a strong willpower, you know, and then it heals faster.
Yeah, I
આપણું શું
believe.
થાય ને તો? Yeah.
I believe we can reverse everything. Jamane colitis hatu, that got reversed. Then I had knee problem, that got reversed. Well, not reversed, but I can sit here, I can sit in Vajrasan. 2 વર્ષ પહેલા I had such problems. And even knee operations would be delayed if at all needed. So,
Very good. नहीं, હવે नहीं need something. You will not need it if you do this, no,
No.
all the asana. And I just wanted to show you the walk. I just show you that walk, everyone. It's very
Yeah.
simple, but you can practice this every day. It will really help you. See, normally, एक तो आपने normal से walk करे छे, right? You go 10 steps ahead, okay,
Yeah.
and then 10 steps behind. एक 10 step આગળ ચાલવાનું, 10 step પાછળ ચાલવાનું, okay, then come again and go side walk.
yeah.
Side ma 10 times towards your right and towards your left. 10 times you do this walk every day.
Every day.
Then
Uh,
this I had showed you, right?
Walk on
your
the feet, yeah.
yeah, on
on the
your
back,
heels, I had showed you.
Sides, yeah.
On your sides, on your inner side.
Yeah, yeah.
એમાં હું છે ને તમને ખાલી આ side walk ભૂલી ગઈ હતી.
Huh.
See, when you do all this, na, all your muscles will be active. આપણે
This is
normally
what
ખાલી
I, yeah. This is what I do every day. અને લેસ્લી સેન્સન નું વોક આવે છે જ્યારે વરસાદ હોય ને બારે વેધર ખરાબ હોય તો ત્યાં તમે ગૂગલ કરો ને લેસ્લી સેન્સન ઈ વોક કરાવે તમને રૂમમાં યુ વોક સાઇડવેઝ યુ વોક અપ એન્ડ ડાઉન
અચ્છા
અને બાકી અમે ઘરે પણ વી વોક ઓન ધ સ્ટોર્સ હીલ્સ 2 રૂમ ખોલી નાખીએ એટલે આખું ચાલીએ આગળ પાછળ. That is helped me quite a lot. Hill walk.
You first place your heels and then you place your foot. You place your heels and you place your foot. It's called a, you know, military walk. Like how the soldiers they walk. Heels and then toes. Heels and then toes. So this is also very, very helpful. But the minor things, but it really works. It really
No,
works.
it does. I've done it. હું દરરોજ એવી જ અમે વોક કરીએ અને it's true.
Very good. Very nice. Very good. આ walk ની બહુ ખબર નથી પણ it's I think it's a very important tip. આવી રીતના heel ઉપર અને પછી toes ઉપર 10
અને
times.
સાઈડમાં
Side walk.
સાઈડ
10
વોક ને
times.
અંદર
Side
અંદર
walk,
રાખીને પગ પાછા
Yeah, yeah.
તમારા પગ જ આખા આમ જાય અને
Okay.
અંદર શું છે પેન્ગ્વિન વોક એ સાઈડ
Yeah.
Okay.
એનાથી બહુ
Thank you.
તમારા ઓલા થાઈઝ સ્ટ્રોંગ થઈ જાય.
Thighs, yeah.
ને બાકી તમે લેસ્લી સેન્સન છે અમેરિકન ઓલાની વોકિંગ એનું છે યુટ્યુબમાં 10
Okay.
મિનિટ 20 મિનિટ 30 મિનિટ
Okay.
વેરી
Okay.
યુઝફુલ
Very
વોક.
good. Okay, so anyone
Yeah,
else can
I
you
didn't check,
doesn't sorry, yes, Snailbin?
Yeah, I just checked that walk. I have not seen that Leslie. I'll just check.
લેસ્લી
But I
સેન્સન
think, yeah, I'll definitely go for it. And one more thing I wanted to share with you guys that I
Yeah.
have made a link. You can join if you want to this group. So if you have any questions, ne, so તમે મને આની પર you can contact me on this. You can join this group and you can તમને ક્યારે પણ કાંઈ પણ problem હોય. See, I've just posted that link. So when you will
ચેટમાં
click
છે
on that-
તમે લોકોનું હા.
chat માં મેં એક link post કરી છે. So you can you will be added in a WhatsApp group. તમને future માં ક્યારે પણ કાંઈ પણ issues હોય health ના, you can always ping me there. I'll get back to you definitely.
Thank you so much. You're so
Thank
good.
you. Yes, it was
Snailbin.
lovely.
Yeah.
Can I ask a quick
Pleasure.
question, please?
Yes, sure.
About 2-3 વર્ષ પહેલા I fell down and I damaged my meniscus nerve.
Okay.
And since then, my knee problems have started in one leg, and now I have a problem in another leg. What do I do to get the knee better?
Okay. May I know whom am I talking to? May.
Marunam
Put your video on.
Mayuri Marunam.
Okay, yeah. Mayuri ji, see why it happened, so I told last week also.
I
You see,
missed the
when we
class.
have-
Sorry, I couldn't get in the group last week.
Acha. Okay. So see what happens, Mayuri ji, when we have problem in one knee, આપણે એને છે ને avoid કરીએ. We avoid using that knee. આપણો suppose right leg નો knee pain કરતું હોય તો we mostly tend to use our left leg. Okay. તો એમાં શું થાય આપણે avoid કરીએ આપણને એમ થાય કે મને pain થાય છે. We don't use that leg. ને અને એના લીધે આપણું પૂરું pressure then comes on the other leg. So that's the reason આપણું whole of the weight અગર આ પગ પર આવી જાય then definitely it is also going to get damaged. So I had done last week make simple એ લોકોને આ દેખાડ્યા હતા સૂક્ષ્મ વ્યાયામ for legs and all, which really see તમારું જ્યારે પણ કોઈ બી part દુખતું હોય ને you should never avoid that part and you should not be very much into also that part. I'll tell you both the things. એમાં શું થાય જો આપણે બહુ એનો વિચાર બી કરતા રહીએ ને આ પાર્ટ મારું દુખે છે, આ પાર્ટ મારું દુખે છે, આ પાર્ટ મારું દુખે છે, then it also gives you a આપણું concentration જે wherever you put your attention that grows. Simple thing. અગર તમે pain પર attention નાખો that pain will grow. You work on it but at the same time you direct your mind somewhere else. સમજ્યા તમે? આજે suppose આપણે knee pain એક knee દુખતું હોય છે પણ આપણા બીજા બધા body parts are very nicely working, but we are always into that અરે મારું knee દુખે છે, અરે મારું knee દુખે છે, and we become little anxious about it. And instead of being anxious and things like that, we can work on it. આપણે થોડું એને રોજ pamper your knees, massage, give some nice massage to your knees, and then ધીરે ધીરે એને you can start working on it. થોડા પહેલા સૂક્ષ્મ વ્યાયામ. Don't go on the major exercise કે major asanas. કોઈ બી asanas એવા હમણાં start નહીં કરવાના. And I tell you, just now I showed you the knee go up અમે leg ઉપર રાખીને કર્યું. That is one of the very very nice exercise. And this one pumping. Okay, this pumping exercise. It will help
Okay.
you.
Okay.
When
Thank
you will do this, 5 to 10 times if you do, in a day, 3 times, it will really help pumping. Because it તમારું calf muscles છે ને એને strong બનાવે. And calf muscles is the heart of your, it's the second heart of your body.
Yeah, because I find that the pain goes on my calf muscle.
So because it has become weak, thighs muscles, calf muscles, એ બધા weak થઈ ગયા ને એના લીધે આપણા knee પર pressure આવે.
Ha.
So Mayuri, you can
That's
join the group if you want, and if you have any other queries regarding that, I will definitely get back to you.
Thank
No worries.
you. Thank you.
ક્યારે પણ
Okay.
કોઈને પણ if you have any health issues, you can
Yeah.
always get back to me on the WhatsApp group.
Okay, so we will put these 2 video on YouTube. Last time ની પણ હજી કરવાની છે એટલે કીધું બે સાથે YouTube માં નાખી દેશો તો તમે લોકો YouTube માં પાછું જોઈ શકશો. અને સ્નેહલબેન ને કોન્ટેક્ટ કરવા હોય તો there is her phone number and everything, all the details. So thank you so much, Snehalben. We really enjoyed and questions and answers, very clear answers, and you showed what to do. So thank you so much. Ranjanben, you can say a few words.
My pleasure.
Thank you, Snehalben. As usual, very helpful tips and training. I'm sure everybody will be looking forward to see the video because we can't remember everything. But
Yes.
videos will really help to carry on. And like you said, regular exercise will help. So this is very, very beneficial. Thank you again for giving us the time. Jai Shri Krishna.
My
One
pleasure.
more question. One more
Bye.
question. Where do we look on YouTube? What will be the title?
Go into Patni TV.
Patni TV?
official Parajya Patni TV, and you will be able to see.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you
Vasuben.
so much, everyone.
There is a mistake. It's the official Parajya Patni Facebook. The Patni TV is a separate thing. So if you go on to Patni TV and subscribe for it.
Okay,
then you
and this
see
will
all
be
the
available on
videos.
Will this be available on Facebook as well?
No. It will be on TV, Patni TV.
Patni TV.
Yeah. It's a YouTube channel.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, Patni TV YouTube channel છે. એમાં તમે જોઈ શકશો.
Ha.
અને previous channel બે કર્યા હતા ને એ બધા videos એમાં છે અત્યારના.
Ah,
ખાલી last two ones, last week no ને આ week no, that will be going on આ week માં. You know, by Monday, Tuesday. So it's Patni TV on
Yeah.
YouTube.
previous બીજા 3 સેશન્સ છે સ્નેહલબેને કર્યા છે એ પણ તમને જોવા મળશે એમાં.
Thank
એ
you.
પહેલા કરેલા છે.
હા 3 કર્યા છે.
Yeah, during the lockdown કર્યા હતા.
ઓકે.
Weekdays ના હતા. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Snehal, thank you once again. Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you, Vasuben, Ranjan Babi,
Thank you.
and
so
Nehal Ben, and all our
Thank you, Vasuben,
community.
Ranju Ben.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Everyone, thank you so much, Dinesh Abdul. Thank you.
Thank you and Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna બધાને. Jai Shri Krishna.
Thank you.
Bye.
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 Bye everyone.
Bye. Bye.
A wonderful day. Bye.
Dinesh Bhai, you want to say something?
No, I just want to say one word, right? Is that, આપણે આજે વ્યાયામ શીખવાડ્યા છે, સૂક્ષ્મ વ્યાયામ, એટલે small exercises. There is no limit in the time where you can do it. You can do while sitting, while watching TV, and more exercise you do. And it's only 2-5 minute exercise. If you keep it up, right, definitely going to go good for us, right? Okay. And thank you, Snehal.
Thank you, Uncle.
And thank you, Vasuben and Ranjan Ben, for managing very nicely. Bye.
Thank you. Thank
Thank
you.
you so
Bye
much.
everyone.
Bye. Good
Bye.
night.
Bye.
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 Bye.